Students, mitochondria is very important cell organelle and it is a well-developed cell organelle present in only eukaryotic cells. It is absent in prokaryotic cell. First of all, it is discovered by Richard Altman in 1890 and he observed a rod-like structure or sometimes oval structures also, and its name mitochondria is coined by Carl Benda. Mitochondria is known as a well-developed cell organelle and its structures is there have a outer layer continuous membrane that is called the outer membrane, and it have a inner membrane which have finger-like projections. These finger-like projections is known as cristae. If a question arises, why they form the finger-like projections, then due to its finger-like projections, they increase their surface area, and due to the greater surface area, having greater rate of the enzymatic reactions to generate more energy. On its cristae, there have a racket-like structures. These racket-like structures is called oxysomes. If we magnify a oxysomes, it appears like that. Mitochondria is filled by a fluid which is called as matrix. Here these fluids are represented by the dotted lines. This fluid is called matrix. Mitochondria have its own DNA. It have the circular DNA and it is known as the naked circular DNA. Mitochondria have its own 70S ribosomes, and if you remember that prokaryotes also have the naked DNA and 70S ribosomes. Since mitochondria have its own DNA and ribosomes, then it can synthesize its most of the protein by its own DNA. Due to this reason, mitochondria is also called as semi-autonomous organelles. If we discuss about its function, then the main function of mitochondria involve into the aerobic respirations, only in aerobic respirations. In eukaryotic cells, mitochondria generate energy by respiration. Due to this reason, it is called as powerhouse of the cell, and its generated energy is stored in the form of ATP, and this ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP is involved in most of the metabolic process. Our biochemical reactions uses these ATP. Therefore, ATP is called the currency of the cell. The number of mitochondria varies cell to cell on the basis of their functions. If we discuss about the cells of heart and in sperms, there have greater number of mitochondria because they are actively participate into the different type of functions or in mechanical functions. While in plants, there have comparatively less number of mitochondria. Mitochondria proliferate in a cell by simple fission. So, as the cell size increases, the number of mitochondria in cell is also increases by the fission process. Students, this is some points about the mitochondria. Thank you.